Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by isolating the failing dataset and reproduce the error on a controlled copy. Confirm you are running Fisch v2. 3. And note the failing file size. Check buffer handling using 4 KB chunk reads and look for a 64 KB aggregate buffer overflow sign. Inspect header bytes and compare expected little endian markers versus actual values. Verify character encoding assumptions and confirm whether UTF-8 or UTF-16 is expected. Record the observed 12% conversion failure rate for further comparison. Next, run Fisch with the verbose and strict flags to collect detailed traces. Use a 1 MB synthetic test file that mirrors the production record layout for reliable reproduction. Capture logs that show byte offsets, header markers, and conversion error codes from the pipeline. Use a hex dump to compare expected versus actual header values at each offset. Save the trace output to a named file for review and cross-reference it with schema expectations. Note any consistent offset or pattern in the logged errors. Prepare a small patch that enforces little endian parsing and explicit UTF-8 decoding across the conversion layer. Update Fisch to v2. 4. To incorporate recent buffer safety and conversion fixes from the maintainers. Adjust buffer reads to stable 4 KB boundaries and ensure accumulators use a maximum 64 KB guard to prevent overflow. Run a validation suite against 1,000 representative records and measure the conversion error rate. Confirm the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.